We're about to wax Osmar's booty hole. So if you want to see us do that, we're going to do it on TikTok. So if you guys want to see, I really like this wax, you guys. I waxed my armpits with it the other day. Not yet. We're going to go to TikTok. Voy a tener que ponerme otra shirt, huh? It's TikTok.
Ponte cosas en la...
Baby, pero TikTok gave me a freaking warning last time.
Ah, ¿no lo vas a hacer en Facebook?
No, lo voy a hacer en TikTok.
Yeah.
Anyways, you guys, can somebody comment my TikTok so that people know? I got something in my eye. I have to put a t-shirt on. Something in my eye. We're gonna wax Osmar's armpits. Oh, I got something in my eye. Baby, tráete la cosa de los contacts. Líquido. I got something in my eye. We are going to wax Osmar's armpits and ear hair and booty hole hair and what else? You guys, my rings are getting big. What the hell-y? This one has never slid off like that. And then my thumb one literally slid off my finger today. I said, sure, I meant your top. Thank you. It's really big, so I need to put something else on. I actually have a medium one in this too, but I don't know where it's at, and so I just put this one on, but it definitely is not staying up. I got something in my eye. I need the contact solution. You're going to need baby powder, your wax. We're using hard wax, and then your sticks. I buy my sticks from the craft section because it's cheaper that way. But yeah, I don't know. Get the shit out of my eye. Anyways, I'm gonna wax all Osman's bloody hairs, but we're gonna do that on TikTok. If TikTok kicks us off, then we'll come back. No, we're not doing his head. We're doing his armpits. I got something in my fucking eye. You guys, I've had this headache. It still hasn't gone away. Believe it or not, it's terrible. Anyways, my TikTok is Beauty by Bianca 91. If you guys want to go join us over there. Somebody's knocking. Use tape. I should, huh? It's just like very like, I don't want to show anything, but like this is how big it is. Who is it, baby? Oh, Mama, do you want to play with Mama. You want to play with Mariah or no? Okay, she said yeah, Mariah. Okay. She's in the room. She's a mess. She's down here. All right, you guys. Beauty by Bianca 91. I'm scolding you for riding with no helmet. I did not ride with no helmet like that, you guys. I only rode with no helmet because I told him I was getting off to take a video of him and I didn't want to put a helmet on. And we literally it was really close. It wasn't far. And he went slow and I got off. I took a video of him and then he took me back. That's why I didn't wear a helmet. I told him to go slow. Porque me fui sin casco one of the times. Anyway, so we're going to wax Osmar. You guys, he's skinny queen. Baby, stop. My top is from Fashion Nova. Nicole, no, this is not going to shrink. This is an extra large. That's why it is big. All right, we're going to go over to TikTok, you guys. It's Beauty by Bianca 91. Baby, you wrong.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you guys over there. Beauty by Bianca 91.